What's up, guys? It's Mariah, aka Rai Baby. I wanted to show you guys how to remove this bright red color from your 613 hair or whatever other hair that you're using. This is going to be a super short, quick video, straight to the point. But I do want to say, if you are new, don't forget to click the subscribe button and the bell icon so that you know when I post new videos. And if you're returning, what's up, girl? What's up? So these are the things that you're going to need. 3 simple things. I got them from the dollar store, which is baking soda, I forgot what it was called, but that really cheap shampoo, and then some Dawn dish soap. I used all green because I heard that green cancels out red. So you want to use the green products and not like the blue one or anything. So the aim for what I was doing was I was going from red to pink. So I only did this about 2 times to get to the pink color that I wanted. I was actually going to remove the color completely and then just re-dye it pink. But I saw as the color was stripping away that it actually turned to a nice pink color. So you'll see that here soon. But what you want to do is take some boiling hot water and like a clear container or just some type of container. And then you want to mix all of your ingredients. I didn't measure anything. I just eyeballed it. I just put some in there. And then you want to submerge the wig. Do be careful because this is super hot water because it's boiling water. I'm not sure if you can use just regular warm water. You can try, but I would just use really hot water for this. And I let it sit for like, I want to say like 20 minutes. 20 minutes per session, and then just make sure the hair is really submerged into the mixture so that way the products can do their job. So this is what the hair looks like 20 minutes later after the first session. You can see all of that red dye in the water, and it obviously is not as bright as it was. It's still super bright, so that's why we're gonna have to hit it again with the mixture. So this is the exact same mixture. I redid the boiling water and I put some, more products in there. And then you want to just let it sit once again until you get the color that you want. So this is what the hair looked like after I took it out of the water. So like it's really pretty, like strawberry-ish pink salmon color. So I decided to just stop there and go with that because it's super duper cute. Now you do want to be careful because this method isn't that great for your hair. You definitely want to deep condition your hair after this and let it air dry. This is what the hair looks like afterwards. I still have some deep conditioning to do, but this is just what it looks like once it's dried, and I'm super happy with the color. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope it helped. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do try this. It's really easy and cheap. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks. Bye.